Блин, были бы они еще слабые.
Smoke defused, mate. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck. I literally can't see the bomb. I literally can't see the fucking bomb now.
You can hear it? You knew where it was.
Where am I stuck?
Oh my lord.
I shouldn't have done it. I should have just played the way I wanted to play.
Alright, calm down, mate. What are you shouting for?
I literally am.